I'm opening the window, the road looks like just white fog. You can see the ceilings with pile of hail on it. It still keeps coming. Just like that. Now my balcony is like a river now. Show you what's happening on the race course. They just started one of the races when the clouds came in and the hailstorm come. So they had to stop the race halfway. Oh, there's another lightning. There you go. This is unreal. Look at that. Well, the hail is coming inside with rain, so I have to close the window.